Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, I am going to give brief information about Arabic language grammar. What is Arabic grammar about? What are the fundamentals of Arabic grammar? The Arabic language is composed of three different sciences that help us to understand and comprehend where the language begins and where it ends. The sciences of Arabic are in fact 12 in number. However, the sciences that are most important for the understanding of the Quran and Sunnah are three. First is An-Nahu. It is most often translated as grammar. It teaches us how to join a noun, verb, and particle to form a correct sentence, as well as what the i'rab, condition of the last letter of a word, should be. For example, يقرأ الطالب الكتاب. The student is reading book. يقرأ is a verb, means he is reading. الطالب subject, the doer. The student. الكتابة object, book. The student is reading book. The second science of Arabic language is as-sarf. It is often translated as morphology. The science of sarf is mostly related to verbs and that which derives from them. For example, darasa, yadrusu, udrus, darsun, dirasatun, darrasa, yudarrisu, darris, tadrisun, mudarrisun, madrasatun. All these are derived from the root verb, which is darasa, he studied. Yadrusu, he is studying. Udrus, study, command. Darsun, lesson. Dirasatun, studying. Darrasa, he taught. Yudarrisu, he is teaching. Darris, teach. Tadrisun, teaching. Mudarrisun, teacher. Madrasatun, school. And the third science of Arabic language is al-balagha. Balagha, it is a science dealing with eloquence of the Arabic language and how to convey proper meanings according to the situation. Balagha also deals with the meanings of words and they take shape in different usage. Balagha is essential in fully understanding the ijaz, miraculous nature of the Holy Quran. In our lesson, we will be dealing with An-Nahu. If Allah grants permission and ability, strength, I will also be explaining and presenting lessons on Sarf and Balagha in the future, inshallah. To understand Arabic thoroughly, we need to learn it with all its aspects: reading, speaking, listening, and grammar rules. If you only learn with one aspect, such as grammar rules, we will not be able to understand the language. Therefore, we must learn grammar rules, read books, stories, listen and watch videos, news, etc. Speak to native Arabic speakers. Try to understand the Quran while reading. May Allah grant us the ability and strength to learn and understand the language of this holy book. Success is from Allah. This chart provides an overview of Arabic grammar and establishes a framework for the future learning. Al-Kalam, speech. Arabic speech is divided into two types. First, kalima, word. The word is of three types. First, ismun, noun. It is that word, name of a person, place, or thing. Example, Ahmad, Misru, Kitabun. Ahmad is the name of person. Misru is a country, Egypt. Kitabun is book. The second type of kalima is fi'lun, verb. It is that word by which we understand some action being done. It is of five kinds, tenses: past, present, future, command, and forbid. الماضي past tense، المضارع present، المستقبل future، الأمر command، النهي forbid. كتب he wrote، يكتب he is writing، سيكتب he will write، اكتب write، لا تكتب don't write. The third type of كلمة is حرف particle. Particle is a word in which the meaning will only be understood when it is used with other words in a sentence. Particles such as prepositions and conjunctions. Example: في، إلى، من، ب، لي، و. في is in، إلى to، من from، ب with، لي for، و and. The second type of كلام speech is مركب compound. Compound is a group of two or more words combined together to convey a meaning. There are two kinds of مركب compound. First, تام. It refers to a sentence that conveys a complete meaning. Example: البيت كبير. The house is big. It's a full sentence, complete sentence. The second type of مركب is ناقص. It refers to a phrase or part of sentence. It does not convey a complete meaning. Example: قلم المدرس. The teacher's pen. This was an introduction lesson to Arabic grammar. I hope it will help us to understand what is Arabic grammar about. See you next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.